So in this video, I'm going to teach you guys on how we are going to navigate sales process. So sales process is issuing of goods or service that we were able to sell to our customers, no, who purchases or who patronize our goods and service. Now, in sales process, it follows these steps. No, una, we have a optional sales quotation. And step one, we have sales order. So sales order is a commitment from a customer that they are going to purchase our goods and service. So this is a go signal for us to purchase, to produce no the orders. No, by having this information, we can optimize the transactions as well as to deal no all customers um orders right away. And the step two is delivery. Now in delivery, this is the part when we ship no the items or goods no to our customers. So if you create a shipment, a corresponding goods issue is also posted, no, and it will leave our warehouse or our uh office, no. Ano to? Going back. Next in the shipment is AR invoice or accounts receivable. So, if last time, no, in our purchase process, this is accounts payable. Uh, in this part, no, in sales, it is now AR or accounts receivable. No, so there is a optional step in delivery which is or in the shipment which is delivery return. So of course sometimes we return items to the they return no si customer, they return to us supplier the items, maybe because number one ganun pa rin, the specifications are not met, no, there are damages, etc. And then yun na. So there is AR down payment because sometimes they cannot pay it in full. So that's why we put their AR down payment. But step three is the accounts receivable invoice. Now, sometimes there is also AR credit memo when there are certain adjustments needed to do no in the AR invoice na mga transaction. And lastly is payment. Now, if we go to our 6.1, so the sales process covers 6.1, 6.2, 6.3, 6.4, and 6.5 of our workbook. So sa 6.1, so, the activity is to do the whole process, no, wherein we give a sales order, okay, we ship, we create an invoice, and then we pay for it. So, sige, let's go to our system. So, if we click sales over here, you can click sales order also, and then find the customer. So, this is my customer na-encode natin. Lang. Wait lang. Saan man ako ang mouse. Again, wait lang. Okay, so we select the customer and then the item daw is item 1 and 3 of exercise 4.1, 23 and 31 respectively. Oh, 23 and 31. and then click add or save. So that's our first screenshot, the sales order. So the next is shipment. Okay, so sa shipment, you copy to deliveries, no? At the lower part, left part. And then wala tayo alisdan, no? Because there's no problem with our shipment. Mm, wait lang. What's this? Stock card. Mm. Copy to deliveries and then save. Mhm. Copy to deliveries. Mhm. And then save. Okay. So ang ginawa ko guys, because nag-negative kasi ako no sa inventory. So ginawa ko is I did 5.1 sa purchase process. I made purchase order, nag-receiving, and then nag-AP voucher. Kahit hindi nabayaran. No, as long as madagdagan lang ang inventory natin. No, kaya nag-negative man ang katong ano nako. So I did the purchase process up to purchasing, receiving, AP voucher, no? Para mag-pursue siya. Okay, next. So invoice. The same process. So copy to AR invoice. Accounts receivable na tayo. And then save. Don't forget to screenshot ha. Hindi na ako sige og screenshot so that maano naman po ninyo, no? And then cash inflow and customer ang last. So bayaran na nato. Cash inflow customer. Hmm, wait lang. Ayan. So mo ni siya and then the payment means is cash on hand. Save. Okay, so that's 5.1. And then 6.2 the same lang. 6.3 is sales return. So may return tayo. So the same process, mag-sales order sa ta. And then shipment. Sige, let's try. Sales order. You find the ano, then items. Ginabalik-balik lang nako akong item guys ha. Kaya wala man po na ako ano tanan gi-encode. But in your part, you have to follow what is written here. So 20. And then 30. Saan man to? Mukha di ma-click ba? Main 30. And then, yun na. So, save. Sunod, shipment. Shipment. So, copy to deliveries. Save. And then, sales return. So, dili i-ano lahat ha. I-copy kay ma-return tanan. So, sales return. We search for our customer. This one. And then copy from deliveries. You click this one. Sorry. You choose. And then here you put the return. Sorry. You put the return. So pila lang man. 2 and 1. 2 and 1 lang daw. Finish. Tama ba? Like that to. 2 and 1 respectively. And then save. Ayan. So that's our sales return. Posting date. Wait lang. Dito day naman siya. Hindi na to 14. Kailan na to? Valid yapon siya. 30 days, di ba tong payment means? Ayan, 30 days sa accounting, dili man gud dapat ang payment terms 120, no? So posted. And then invoice. Copy to ano, you go to sale invoice. Then you select the customer and then copy from deliveries. Ito. Choose. Ayan. So, kung nakita ninyo guys, 18 of 29 na lang siya. No, finish. So, na-minusan na ang ato ang invoice. Ayan. Posting na po. Accounting. Okay, 2026 dapat karon. Day to day. No? Ayan, successful. And then, cash inflow customer. So, if you've encountered those kind of problems, you just follow, ha? And then, cash inflow customer. Yan. So, we pay na. Mhm. So, yan. So, manggawa sa na siya. And then, cash. Cash on hand. Yan. So, we pay this one. Save. So, we're done now with 6.3. So 6.4 is credit memo, 6.4 and 6.5. So namali day ko last time no sa purchase process, 6.4 and 6.5 is credit memo, no? But anyways, let's go to 6.5. So 6.5 is mm, start with sales order gihapon. No, so sales order, and then you find your customer and then the item. So pila daw to? 21 and 19 lang. 19. Okay, so yun and save. Okay. Next is shipment. So we are going to deliver. So copy to deliveries. Save. Wala tayong i-change. And then invoice. Okay, so copy to AR invoices. Save. And then yun na, AR credit memo. So credit memo. So again, dili ta copy, no? Kay ma-return tanan. So AR credit memo. So we find our customer. Ay nako, ang akong mouth. Wait lang. Yan. And then, ang items natin. So pila daw to? 1 and 3. 3. Ayan. And then, save. Ay, due date na naman. Okay. And then, cash inflow customer. Okay. Treasury cash inflow customer. And then, dalawa. No? Kay naatay, transaction, and then, ano ta, credit memo. No? And then, we pay on cash on hand. Cash on hand gapon. Ayan. Okay. So, we're done with 6.5. So, 6.4 and 6.5. So, in the next video, I'm going to teach you guys on how to navigate 7 and 8. Okay? Bye.